Well guys, we're back at it again. Hauling more old sleds. A lot of OMCs in this bunch. Got ourselves the old PPT, the old French Canadian tank. The old CCW counterclockwise engine in her. You guys will have to stick around. One of these days we'll get this sucker running. But I did already hear it run. So there's potential. A couple of Skeeters. Another 67 Johnson ski horse. Wide track ski horse, an old Skeeter. These things are just useless as hell. I mean useless. It's got the old, it's got the old gas gauge. Got another rotary, 35. I don't know if there's a motor in it. We'll go check that out. And there was a narrow track ski horse somewhere. I think it's right here. 67. Yeah, it should be a narrow track. Cleated. See the old snow jet up on the old display there. So, nice bunch here. We actually got a couple more back by the other pile of sleds. I'll show you guys that. What was there? Some Alpines, Mercury, and I think a couple more OMCs. So, there's still about 7 or so OMCs yet to get. Another passport out, PPT, whatever you want to call it, tracked vehicle. And then Swedish Alpine, an active Grizzly. So we got to get that home yet. And then there'll be probably, I don't know, another 40 or so yet, nicer sleds. We'll keep you guys updated. I'll switch to the GoPro here and we'll go take a look at some of these and see if they'll run. Like I said, the PPT, I did hear that thing fire up yesterday. Very, very cool rig with the full roll cage, has the jump seats. Has the original cover for it as well, and just needs a couple repairs on the idler wheels. You can see the ding there, but a lot of nice rigs here this time around. All have good tracks on them. Some of these are more rough than others. Are probably just selling for parts. Here's what we have outside right now. You guys saw the Ski Whizzes already, but we got a Polaris Charger. I want to say it's a 69 Charger, 250E Mercury, an Alpine, wide track, Alpine, and another wide track ski horse. I believe these are 1969 or 70s, these two here. A little bit of wind today, It's got to be early Alpines, I would guess, like 65. These are a little bit newer. Obviously no motor. That one's got a motor that has no recoil starter on it. I believe this Charger turned over. I don't know if Timmy got the... Oh, those clamps. Just straight up tight. Wow, this is a 398 machine. 398. The throttle. Oh yeah, she's free. We might as well, there's no key in it, but I think it's just an index. I'll steal one from something quick. This here Massey. This one here, maybe you can. Yeah. Storage box? Oh, there's another ignition switch in there. Huh, cool. Fuel lines are still soft on this, guys, and the engine definitely does turn over, so there's got to be a chance that it'll run. The bird crap back here is real. Try to get some of this crap out of here. Cap is cracked to all hell. Oh, she's dry. Yeah, this one will pop off, I hope. So we'll give her a little shot down its... See if it'll pull any gas in. Oh yeah. Huh. Man, she's a good one. She's a good runner. So I believe, like I said, a 69 Charger. Nice seat on this sucker too. Get her cleaned up, guys. This would be a nice rig. Wow. Still has the chrome air horns on it. You could probably clean those up. Belt's a little on the worn side. Oh yeah. Brake cable. It's just not connected for whatever reason, but it's there. Okay, sweet guys. That thing runs. Awesome. Got a metal vent on the hood on that one. Set this old boy back down in there. I don't know about this Mercury. I have my serious doubts about this Mercury, actually. Jesus Christ, there's dirt in there. I wonder how bad the tank is. It's not that bad. Let me shine in there once. Yeah, it's not bad. A little bit of rust, but I don't think this thing. Yeah, there's no chance in hell this thing runs with the wiring like that. Maybe we can squirt it for the hell of it, I guess. The throttle's totally stuck wide open. I guess fuck it. We have nothing to lose. Let's just shoot it with some gas. Why the hell not? No frickin' way, guys. What? What the? You guys saw that, right? A Mercury 250 that ran with the original wiring. No, what? I am stunned right now. Holy crap. We got 2 for 2, guys. What the hell? This is awesome. Still has the storage box. Jesus. Well, that's a good sign. Well, we can't start this Alpine because it has no motor. And this one, the recoil is not quite there yet. But the motor does turn. I'm sure the old one banger. Wow. Jesus, guys, I can't believe that Mercury. Under the seat of this Johnson's nice. I'm gonna peek in some of these gas tanks once. Oh, god damn. That smells bad. Are they tight? Oh, and the ropes look like new. I mean, somebody did some wiring up in the front. Oh. And the throttle's kind of moving. It might pop off. We might as well try her. Throttle is somewhat. I'll give it a little bit of gas to lubricate itself. It wants to. Yeah, it really wants to. Alright. Let's see if this old puppy will fire up. Throttle definitely sticks, but that one runs. Wow, guys, we're literally 3 for 3 with the ones that are able to turn over. Is that an open chain case? Oh, and the stiff link. Oh, god damn. Wow. Well, that one runs. The bumper's pretty square. Freaking sweet. We'll try this Alpine next. Oh, throttle moves. Okay, there's a key in it. We might as well give this sucker a shot. See what happens. 300cc Rotex. Little throttle open. A little shot there. Oh my God. The old Alpine. She's a runner. I cannot believe this. We are 4 for 4, guys. I swear to God, if we go 5 for 5 with that one right there, that Johnson, this might be one of the greatest will it runs in the history of our videos. So, whew, wow. 4 for 4 so far. Maybe that old Alpine would run too if I put a recoil on it. I don't know. I don't know how hard it is to put it. The Tarbentator though is a little more seized than I would like, and the throttle shaft's broken. And yeah, that one's not runnable. No. Nope. Well, guys, let's see if our friend Y-Track here will run. Should be pretty much the same as the other one. Let's see. I'll take the key out of the other one maybe and hope for the best. Boy. Oh, hello, bees. Hello, bees. I see one, and he looks very large. What the hell is that air cleaner on there? That's a big bee, unless it's dead. Oh no, he ain't dead. Okay, we gotta be a little more cautious on this one, but I definitely soaked him with gas. Oh yeah, he's not very happy at the moment. Okay, what in the hell? Alright, throttle moves a little bit. Lube up the throttle shaft there a little bit. Okay, and I want to steal a key out of this one maybe. Let's see if this old boy. You'd think it should. Damn it. Oh. The thing won't. The thing doesn't want to go in there. All right. There we go. All right. Now I don't even know if it's tight. Oh yeah. Yeah. That one's tight. Oh yeah. Yep, never mind. Well, I'll take that key right back out of this one. Anyways, guys, well, that was short-lived. Well, let's just say it went 4 for 4 on the ones that were able to run. That's pretty good in my opinion. You guys can say whatever you want, but I think that's pretty good. We'll put the hood back down, keep that B in there for the next guy. You can see the front end, a little bit of damage down there in the left front. Yeah, so like I said, still pretty impressed with that Mercury 250 that it ran. We'll probably have to make a part 2, guys, to this unload, get them off, get them evaluated, that sort of stuff. Just gonna be a lot of work for myself to get up here and try to do some startups, but oh yeah, a lot of these do rope over. So I'm sure there will be more that run on spray, but we're definitely looking to sell a lot of these. If you guys are interested, let us know. We're not keeping 40 OMC sleds, maybe just a couple. So if you're looking for parts sleds or even a sled to fix up and ride, we got plenty to choose from here. So if you guys enjoy content like this, always subscribe. You'll see the next video. Turn on notifications, that way you won't miss any of the uploads. Leave a like on it if you enjoyed. Drop a comment if you have something to share about old sleds or even memories of back in the day, or if there's a sled you would like to see a video on, let us know. We'll keep at it. We'll see you in the next one.